Agriculture, like any other industry, is also information-driven. Reuters MarketLight has developed an ecosystem from sourcing accurate and decision-critical information, customizing it to meet professional information needs of farming, and delivering anytime, anywhere on the humble and ubiquitous mobile phone. Reuters MarketLight has tied up with multiple weather forecasting agencies, including the Indian Meteorological Department, to deliver highly localized weather alerts. RML's team of nearly 400 market reporters spread across 12 states in India pull in daily market intelligence, on-spot market supply, and traded prices from 1,200 markets.
मी साकण आणि मनसर दोन मार्केट कव्हर करतो आणि याच्यामध्ये मनसरमध्ये 4 क्रॉप्स आहेत, कांदा, बटाटा, टोमॅटो आणि मिरची. याचे बाजारभाव मी इथे कलेक्ट करतो, आरएवएस वगैरे कलेक्ट करतो आणि हे आरएवएस आणि बाजारभाव मी माझ्या कंपनीचे चीफ मार्केट रिपोर्टर आहेत त्याला मी पाठवतो.
This is enhanced with accurate and wide coverage from the Reuters News Network, giving farmers the decision-critical information that directly affects their livelihood.
I collect the information from local spot markets with an eye on reports appearing on Reuters screen. I verify the information received from market reporters and chief market reporters. I crunch this information into just 130 characters to make RML News snap in local language. RML News addresses production risk and marketing risk of farmers.
RML's sales and operation teams work from local offices spread over 12 states in which RML is present. They take pride in being part of the Thomson Reuters brand and taking it to rural India.
Selling an information product to the farmers was a tough job, as they did not believe that SMS can change their lives. But gradually we learned that once seeding happen, retention and multiplication become easy.
At RML, we understand that the farmer is a unique entity and has very different needs. We try to approach them through multiple ways, such as village level meetings, hard days, and agriculture fairs. Currently, we are running a very innovative program called Customer Referral and Retention Program, or CR2 as we like to call it. The entire idea of this program is that we make the customer the brand ambassador of RML to reach out to more and more farmers so as to acquire a larger number of customers over a period of time. The other aspect of the CR2 process is that we try and retain the customers who have gone out of the system. Reaching out to farmers in so many different ways is an extremely challenging and fulfilling experience for me.
RMLमध्ये मी सुरुवातीपासून काम करतोय. त्यावेळेला मॅन्युअल प्रोसेस होतं कस्टमर ॲक्टिव्हेशनचं, फॉर्म थ्रू ॲक्टिव्हेशन होतं आणि त्यासाठी 8 ते 15 दिवस ॲक्टिव्हेशन प्रोसेसला वेळ लागायचा. पण आता आपण कस्टमरला 48 तासामध्ये ही सर्व्हिस देतो आहे आणि त्यावेळेला आमची टीम खूप लिमिटेड लोक होती टीममध्ये आणि RML हे दिवसेंदिवस ग्रोन होत चाललेलं आहे, वाढत चाललेलं आहे.
A team of specially trained customer service champions make the customer experience delightful and personalized at the Reuters MarketLight customer support centers.
जी सर, इसके आपके पास क्या वाउचर है? जी सर, उसमें एक वाउचर नंबर लिखा होगा 12 अंक का, वो मुझे बताइए. जी सर, खुफिया नंबर बताइए जो कि स्क्रैच किया होगा आपने, स्क्रैच कोड. अच्छा ठीक है सर, मैं काम करता हूँ, गेहूँ में आपको 6 मंडियाँ दे देता हूँ.
Not only can customers activate their services, but also get support for any service-related issues that they might face.
We have 50 champs at our call center. They can activate 2,500 customers a day. We are the single point of contact for our customers, farmers, channel partners, distributors, and sales team.
After overcoming teething issues and hiccups, Reuters MarketLight has now started moving towards creating a center of excellence in this uncharted domain of agri-information.
आता आपला सल्ला अधिक त्यांचा सल्ला, त्याच्यामुळे तो आम्हाला फायदा होतो.